How to recover deleted photos from Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted photos from Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. But before starting anything, let me tell you that Messenger does not store deleted messages, photos indefinitely. But there is a way to recover them if possible. So with that, we will move forward to the steps. So here, let's start with the step one, that is to check the archive chats. So here you can simply open the messenger, and from here you can simply go to the menu icon shown in the bottom right corner in the screen. Now here, once you are in the menu section, you can just tap on archive to see the archive chats, and here you can simply look for the conversation that had the photo, and if you found one, the photo may still be accessible. So here sometimes photos aren't deleted if the chat was archived instead of being removed. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to check Facebook downloaded information. So here you can simply open the Facebook app, and now from here you can simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right side of the screen, and now from here, you can just tap on see more in Account Center. And now here, once you are inside Account Center, then what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on your information and permission. And now here in this section, you can just tap on export your information. And after that, you can simply tap on create export and select your account. And after that, you can just tap on export to device, and with that, on the next page, you can simply customize or select the information that you want to download. And here, once you're done with that, you can simply tap on Start Export. And here, you just have to enter the password and confirm your export. And once you do that, you'll get a zip file containing your message, including photos, through which you can download and extract the zip to find the deleted images. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to check device gallery or cloud backup. So photos sent received on Messenger may be auto saved in a device gallery or Google Photos. So what you can do is simply open the gallery or the Google Photos in your phone, and here you can simply search for the Messenger folder through which the deleted images might still be in trash or recently deleted folder in here. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is ask the sender. So if you deleted the photo on your side only, the sender may still have it. So if that's the situation, you can ask them to resend the photos. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.